Oh, Lord.
Hey, Earl. So what do you got here?
I've got my grinder, I've got some acid, I got a rag, I'm going to wipe it down with water, and I'll scrape off what I missed. There's a lot of rust here.
Well, what if you could use a cementitious product that actually adheres to metal?
That sounds really great, except cement won't stick to metal, and that's a boatload of rust.
C2M is a direct-to-metal cement. Get it? Cement to metal. Anyways, not only does C2M adhere to nearly any metal surface, rusted or not, it's extremely flexible too. And if you needed to paint this project, cement is a great substrate for paint.
Okay, but flexible cement? I've been to 2 county fairs and a gypsy picnic. Cement doesn't flex.
Yup, C2M has been tested to bend up to 90 degrees while maintaining adhesion and protection.
Okay, fine. It's flexible and you can put it on metal, but what about corrosion? Can you put it directly on rust?
We have anti-corrosion products right in the powder. The adhesion of C2M to metal and rusted metal surfaces is extremely high. Once cured, C2M can pull at as much as 15.5 megapascals. That's over 2,000 psi. And, as you may know, higher adhesion promotes higher corrosion resistance, and C2M adheres to metal incredibly strong.
Okay, so how much of a pain in the neck is it to prepare and apply this product?
C2M comes in a powder and emulsion liquid, so it's a 2-component product. You should not add water to it. It can be brushed, rolled, or sprayed, with spraying usually being the best method that yields the best coverage per gallon. All you need to pay attention to is mixing it well in gradual increments, not all at once, and if you're spraying it, you need to run the material through a sieve to remove any large aggregate so it sprays smooth.
Will it stand up to high temperature too?
Absolutely. C2M has withstood tests of up to a constant temperature of 600 degrees Fahrenheit with no discoloring or delamination for 3 days.
This has to be toxic. It's got to have some acid in it. My job sites are dangerous enough.
Not even close. C2M releases VOCs at less than 20 grams per liter, and C2M cleans off easily with water, so you can always be ready for your next job. C2M removes the hassle of sandblasting, and it's made from non-hazardous materials, so it requires minimal training and equipment, even when being applied in enclosed spaces. Just be mindful when mixing the powder. You don't want to breathe that in. Do you have any change?
Yeah, I have some change. I'm gonna get this back, right?
See? It's abrasive resistant and it's on rust. I tell you what, I've got something over here that's over 10 years old. You gotta see it. Take a look at this pull test. This is over 10 years old and pulled at over 800 pounds. Go ahead, pick at it. If you like that, I've got something to show you over here. Now take a look at this. This is over 10 years old. Notice there isn't any rust migration.
Why is this gap here?
Before we coated it, they taped it to see if there'd be any rust migration later.
Oh, so that means if I had to repaint this, all I have to do is wash it and then paint it. I don't have to sandblast.
Yep, exactly.
Wow.